from rasbian.org. Start by clicking Software. Here we have two options for installing Raspbian OS, graphical or the terminal. In this graphical way, choose the OS and download the software. Install it and we are good to go. Installing Rasbian from the terminal, you need to download Rasbian OS Lite. I already downloaded it. Right click on the zip file and extract it. I already did that, and now we have a .img file. Now we should connect the SD card where we want to install Rasbian. After that, we have to make sure we choose the right SD card. My one says dev/sda. It is important when we install Rasbian from the terminal. Open the terminal, navigate to the folder where we extract the OS, write the command in the terminal and hit enter. Wait until the write is complete in the SD card. The second option is use a graphical interface to write the OS to our SD card. Click choose SD card to choose SD card. Now click choose OS. We will install Rasbian OS Lite and hit write. After successfully install the OS, we need to make sure that we create a file or a folder called SSH. If we do not create an SSH file or folder, we won't be able to SSH into our Raspberry Pi. Next, we need to find our Rasbian IP address, or we could simply try SSH pi at Raspberry Pi to connect to our Raspberry Pi. I'm using Net Analyzer in Android to find my Raspberry Pi's IP address. If the Raspberry Pi's IP address is 192.168.10.100, then we SSH pi at 192.168.10.100, and as the password we use Raspberry. After we log into our Pi, we need to update our Pi OS. So write apt update and hit enter. Now write apt upgrade -y and hit enter. My Raspberry Pi is up to date, but for a new installation it might take some time depending on the internet connection. Please consider subscribe to the channel and press the like button if you found this helpful. More videos are coming shortly.